Welcome to ECNTRADE Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. The market still remains somewhat steady in terms of the weaker dollar against some of the currencies. We're looking at the Australian dollar, we're edging higher and close towards that 70-cent mark. It is viewed that the indicators are holding somewhat positive and therefore could see a further rise up to 71 cents. And my bullish view holds, with any pullback likely to find support somewhere around 69.5 or around 68, 80, 90, where I've outlined here. Looking at the euro, well, the market is still a little bit weaker as it edges closer towards the support level of 107.45.65. It is viewed that the market was somewhat a little bit weaker in terms of taking the challenge higher of 109, but with the dollar returning slightly positive around 102.10, the market is finding a little bit more weakness into the euro. Nevertheless, I feel bargain hunters are likely to be lurking around this region. Looking at dollar yen, well, the market surges higher after the Bank of Japan's announcement and now finding resistance close to the top side level of around 130.75 to 95. It is a strong level, and I feel the market's getting a little bit over confident in terms of taking this rally higher. But until we see a break above 130.95, then we could see some of these gains pared back. The sterling marks further gains and still looks towards 123 to 124 as a potential target. Any pullback should find support around this base, which is seen around 121.80.90 now. And while intact, I feel there is further gains, as I mentioned, to 124. Gold slipping for the third day and still holding relatively well, though, above 1,900. But if we see a close under 1,898, that could see further weakness down towards 1,891, with the key support level seen at 1,875. Keep an eye on these technicals, because if they do break lower from the midway point on the RSI, then further weakness will emerge. We're not quite broken above that 81.40 level for oil, but nevertheless, the market is still keeping a very close watch on it. If cleared, could see further gains up towards the region of 82.5, maybe even up to $84 a barrel, and reassess from there. Well, that wraps it for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and as always, look out for the intraday report. Hope you enjoy the rest of the day.